Hello guys, welcome to my next tutorial. I am Shivang Srivastava, and in this tutorial I will tell you about nested if else and nested switch statements. As in previous videos I have told you about if else statements and switch statements. I think that video is clear to you, and now I am going next with the decision making structures, that is nested if else and nested switch statements. So nested, what is nested? What is the meaning of nested? Its meaning is something inside of another thing. Like if we will write if a statement, okay, if a greater than b, and if you are writing inside that if statement, you are writing another if statement, like if b greater than c. Okay, you have written two statements here. Okay, I will tell you the example. As if I will say, I will just decrease the size, it is so much. Okay, if I will say if a greater than b, okay, and then I am saying if a greater than b, and I am saying now inside this if statement that b greater than c, and then this block. Okay, now you can see here are two if, and in this if, this is the parent if and this is the child if, and in this parent if you also contain one more if, that is if b is greater than c. Okay, you have two if, and if this kind of condition is there, this is known as nested if else, because you are writing another if inside the another if. Okay, now I think it is clear to you that what is if else. Okay, so that is the nested if else. And now just look this flow diagram, and you can just write in your exams, like if this question will come, then just draw this diagram and write that what I have told you above, and just write one example in which there is one if else, there is one if and then another if. Okay, and now this is the flow diagram. You can see the test expression here. You will write your if condition, and if this condition is true, then another if is there, body of if, this. Okay, there can be another if, or you can write a body of this if. Okay, you will write, and here it is the body of this if, and then another statement of if. Okay, now here is the body, this is the body of this statement, and if this statement is false, then this else statement will work here. Okay, and this else statement is for this one if. Okay, and then when this process is done, then another if statement which is inside this if statement. Now I think it is clear to you that if one if statement is inside another if statement, then it is nested if else statement. Just draw this diagram, okay, in your exams. And the next thing is basic problem is dangling else problem. Yes, it is right. This is the problem in this nested if else. I will tell you about this problem in the next video, and listen this video and the next video, that is dangling else problem, which is the most important video, and in most of the time in interviews this question will ask that what is the problem of dangling else problem. And also in AKTU exam or in another other university exams, dangling else problem is common question which always come in your exams. So listen carefully, watch the video, watch the next video properly, dangling else problem. Okay, I will tell you this problem in the next video by giving you some program. Okay, by showing you the program and actually showing you how this dangling else problem is there. Now next thing, this is nested switch statement. Okay, nested switch statement. Now like in else if else, when you are writing if condition in another if condition, like this switch statement is also there. If you are writing switch statement in another switch statement, then it is a nested switch statement. Like in this, like I have just switched one of the condition here, case 1, and in case 1 you are also given one more switch, that is target. Okay, and then you are saying it's his cases here, that is 0 1 2. Now you can say, now I think it is clear to you that in switch statement also there is nested switch statement available, in which one more switch is there inside the parent switch. Okay, so this is the nested switch statement. Just write this example and just write the statements in the exam that what is nested switch statement. You will get the full marks. Okay, and it is a common problem, it is a common question in the exam, and they both are asked in the same question, that write a short note about if else state nested if else statement and nested switch statement. Okay, so just I think it is clear to you now that it is very easy to know that what is nested. The actual meaning of nested is here, and that is only the meaning of nested if else and nested switch statement. So guys, please share my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and if you want more interesting videos from my side, so please subscribe my video and please share as much as possible. Thank you so much guys. Now we will be there in the next video. Thank you so much.